Hey yo guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel now, please do well to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. So in today's video, we'll be making a hair mask, a DIY hair mask. This particular hair mask is good for hair growth, for dandruff, if you're having hair breakage, you're having split ends. This hair mask is very beneficial because it's really going to add volume and treat damaged hair. And so the first ingredients we'll be needing for this hair mask is green tea. Green tea is very beneficial when it comes to treating dandruff and hair loss. Green tea helps to promote a healthy hair growth. It also helps to control hair breakage, and it also prevents split ends. So the first thing you will do is to put the green tea herbs into a bowl. Then you add hot water into it in order to infuse the herb and get all the goodness out of the green tea herbs. And next is your hibiscus herb. Hibiscus herb is very beneficial when it comes to treating hair loss, hair breakage, dryness and frizzy hair. Hibiscus herb is one of the top Ayurvedic herbs you can use to treat your hair. I made a video on the top Ayurvedic herbs, and if you've not seen the video, I'll leave the link on the screen and also in the description box down below. So Ayurvedic herbs is very beneficial. It's a herbs that you can use if you're suffering from hair loss, and if you're suffering from thin hair. If you want your hair to be fuller, if you want your hair to be thicker, if you want to add volume to your hair, you should consider using any Ayurvedic herbs. You should try and incorporate any Ayurvedic herbs into your hair care routine. So this hibiscus herbs is very beneficial because it will promote a healthy hair growth. And so after infusing the green tea and the hibiscus inside the hot water for about 10 minutes, you strain it out and you keep it aside to cool down. And the next thing we will use is rice. This rice is going to be our base, and you all know rice is very beneficial to the hair. Rice helps to detangle the hair, and it also reduces frizzy hair. Rice is very beneficial when it comes to treating dandruff and hair breakage. Rice contains lots of vitamins and minerals that makes the hair stronger, and it also adds shine to the hair. So all I did was to blend the rice. I added water and I blended the rice. After blending the rice, I went ahead to strain out the rice milk or rice water. I don't know, anything you call it. Yeah. So I went ahead to strain it out. So after straining the rice water out, I went ahead to add my hibiscus and green tea infused Ayurvedic herbs, and stir this a little bit. And yes, we will be boiling this using the double boiling method. We will boil this until it thickens up, let's say like 15 minutes or more, until it thickens up. So when everything has thickened up, this is how it's looking. So smooth, creamy, so edible. Like, I feel like eating it right now. It looks so good, and the paste is so smooth. Yeah. And so we will start by adding our oils. First, we'll go in with our black castor oil, Jamaica black castor oil. Castor oil helps to moisturize, thicken, and strengthens the hair. It also prevents hair breakage and dandruff, and it promotes a massive hair growth. And I'll be adding like a tablespoon of this castor oil into our paste. And next, I'll go in with my extra virgin olive oil, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of this. Olive oil softens and strengthens the hair by penetrating the hair shaft, and it also preserves moisture in the hair. And next, I'll go in with this hair growth oil I made myself. It contains aloe vera and onions, and I'll just add 2 tablespoons of this oil. If you want to know how I make this oil, I'll be leaving the link to the video in the description box below and also on the screen. And after adding my hair growth oil, I'll combine this and mix this properly in order to combine the oil and the paste together. And lastly, I'll go in with my tea tree essential oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice. You can add lavender essential oil or rosemary essential oil, but I prefer tea tree essential oil. So this essential oil helps to soothe itchy scalp. It helps to reduce dandruff and flaking. It also balances the pH level of the scalp. Tea tree oil also helps to remove buildup and excess oil production. And so after adding everything, I'll mix properly, and yeah, our mask is ready. Yeah, it's looking so beautiful, creamy, anything you call it. Yes, this is our hair mask, and we'll go in with the application. And so for me to apply this hair mask, I'll start by spraying my hair with some water. Yeah, and after spraying my hair with some water, I'll go in with the hair mask. So that's it, guys, and all I did was to apply this in sections until I am done. And yeah, I know you can see those new growth on my hair. That's because my hair is transitioning back to natural, and I'll be cutting the relaxed parts off soon. And so guys, if you've watched this video till this extent and you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to get lots and lots of hair care DIY and also skincare DIYs. And so guys, after the whole application process, all I did was to leave this in for 30 minutes. So this is how it's looking. And if you have a shower cap, if you have a nylon bag, anything you can use to cover your hair so it can condition properly, you can use this. You can use any of it to cover your hair. And for me, I went in with a nylon bag to cover my hair, and because that's what I have. And that's it guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to support me, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.